Another day, another reckless idiot on the news. Walmart shopper spits and coughs on employees. Billing dispute at register. And right here we have ourselves the clip of the incident, so let's watch it together.
This bitch is going crazy. Look at her. Move. Wow. Wow.
She's spitting on it.
Ooh.
I'm gonna ask you to shut the fuck up and get the fuck away from me before I slice your neck with my spit again. Do you even see where it landed?
I'm getting it all.
Right there. It says come. Did you just do this in the bathroom, manager? It's called get your phlegm out because that's where you're getting the fat out, and the fat holds the toxins and the fucking viruses. You think I'm just having fun being a stupid blonde?
Would you like to go?
Yeah, I just decided that I just wanted to be born to be a stupid blonde. Yeah, like I am the only fucking blonde here.
Yeah, it's more than just being a stupid blonde, you dumb bitch. You are just overall stupid and deserve to be locked up. Anyways, let's see what this article here has to say. This is a terrifying scene for every store clerk these days. Yes, it is. Very much so. A woman coughing and spitting in rage while checking out at a California Walmart. The crazy altercation went down in, I'm not even going to bother trying to pronounce it, when the woman got into a spat over her bill while she was at the register this past week. Apparently, she felt she was overcharged and wanted to glance at the screen, but the Walmart worker told her to back up. That's completely reasonable because of also the fact that there is social distancing. Clearly, this caveman of a woman never even heard of the concept because she acts like a complete and wild animal. That's when the spit started hitting the fan. Ha, nice little pun there. A manager walked over and tried to calm her down, but the woman spun into a full-blown meltdown. No shit, it was more than just a meltdown. Suddenly beginning to cough and spit on a Walmart staffer who immediately dialed 911. If you thought that was crazy, just watch the cringe-worthy aftermath of her trying to explain why she did what she did. Spoiler, it got something to do with a crackpot theory, yeah, this woman definitely does look like a crackpot, I might add, about dispelling phlegm to get rid of the virus. She also brought up dumb blondes. Yeah, anything that bitch ended up saying in that video made absolutely no fucking sense. She's just absolutely out of her mind. She needs to not only get help, but she also needs to be locked up for attempting to spread the coronavirus, and that's also a form of terrorism and assault as well. So there's a lot of things that this dummy can be charged upon. Anyways, there's more, but we'll let you watch. Eventually, cops reportedly arrived and escort her out. It's unclear if she was arrested. Like, is there absolutely no end to stupidity and recklessness when it comes to the combination of humankind and a worldwide crisis? Like, the coronavirus is a very real and serious thing. You know, I hate to burst y'all's bubbles that think that the coronavirus is just some made-up thing to try and scare the whole world. No. We have ourselves over 1 million cases worldwide, and tens of thousands of people have actually died from the coronavirus, in case you guys want to go ahead and try and ignore those stats as well. No, the coronavirus is a very real thing. And people die when they get the coronavirus, especially if their immunity is not all that strong to battle the virus. Like when you don't have morons that are turning a serious worldwide pandemic into a clout-chasing trend on TikTok, you have idiots like these that are doing what we just seen in this video, coughing and spitting at other people, trying to weaponize a virus. Like this right here is not only assault, because spitting on someone is in fact assault, but you could actually say that this is attempting to murder someone, because the coronavirus is a known killer, and if you happen to be a carrier of the virus and you give someone else the virus that you coughed and spit at, they could very well die and it would be your fault. So yeah, congratulations for attempted murder, you dumb bitch. Anyways, guys, I encourage you to share this video around, and not just share my video, but also share what we had talked about in this video as well. We need to get this fucking shit out there, and we need to, like, stand against this. Like, seriously, the coronavirus is a very real and scary thing, you know? And it's got everybody anxious, but people like these take advantage of that anxiety, and they end up attacking these essential workers that have no choice but to go to work, and they deal with shit like this. Like, these essential workers are fucking heroes, and how you pay their respects is by spitting and coughing on them? Seriously, go fuck yourself, man. I'm fucking done with this video. Spread this message around. Have yourself a good day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.